Yes! As in, super enjoyable. Come and interactive. Shouldn't miss the next workshop. Kay damo gid ka mo ma-learn.
Yay, mga kabambang! We are finally here at Carlos and I have with me nung Edward. Hi! Set up kami. Register here, please.
Ako, si Miss B.
Hi, Christian.
I'm Jessie. Afternoon, I'm Cynthia. I'm Kim.
Dali si Tan Garcia.
Everybody calls me Kuya.
Ako si Mike O'Brien.
Si Myra. If there is no opportunity, if you will not try, your dream will remain as a dream. Subong pa lang, congratulations sa inyo tanan for being here. We can never be 10 sa ibang aspects ng ating life kung hindi kita 10 as an individual.
Congratulations, CJ!
Arang pulba, arang hesitation, excited kita, pero pag-abot sa mga bashers.
So, from Rojas City, down here on the bye-bye, I'm going to sign off from here. Thank you very much. You can handle it. That's the display. Maybe you'll see me around. I hope so. Thank you guys. Take care and goodbye.
Pauna-una lang si Git sa gutom na ko.
Gutom yun, ha? Gutom na ko!
Comer é bom, faz bem pra saúde. Frutas, legumes, verduras e mais. Proteínas, carboidratos.
Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jesse Claro from Italy. 1, 2, 3. So hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Carlos Bake Shop at kasama ka dito Ilonggo Vloggers and Kapit siya practice.
Kaya ba natin ito? Pwede. Ano pa?
Gusto mo ba maging content creator?
Gusto mo ba maging content creator?
At least learn how to market your product through social media.
So again, ang followers, yes, these are just numbers, but it speaks so much of how you are as a content creator. So we have to be careful. We have to remember, we have to be an influencer of good influence.
Basta authentic, basta true sa inyong self, mamapit ginang sa inyo ang mga tao.
Unanimous decisions. Myra! Siyempre, sir.
Unanimous si Nangkir.
That's what the community is all about. Kita tanan mag-isay. Believe in yourself. Woo!
Here!
Congratulations! You win 1,000 worth of gift check from Marriott, from Jesse's Diner. Second place for 1,000 peso worth of gift check from Marriott. You will also get a tripod. Okay, sponsored by UTI. And of course, gift check from Jesse's Diner. And of course, for our winner.
Wow! Ito!
With 5 points.
Grabe!
Mr. Jesse Milano.
Thank you for our sponsors from Carlos Bake Shop, Yes Diner, Marriott by Courtyard. I am UP High, I Print Shop, Ala Group of Companies composed of Hyundai, Isan, Cherry Futon, JAC, GAC, Chang'an, Hyundai Trucks and Buses, and Future Iloilo. King Gadget Hub, the quality you can afford.
Dalis ka doon ko ang una-una kung ako kanina sa pag-start it. If there is an opportunity, try. This could be a step closer to your dream. So, once again, sa mga nag-delivery, congratulations! Thank you very much to all of you and it.
And you shouldn't miss the next workshop. Kay damo gid ka mo ma-learn, and the facilitators are very friendly and very informative gid.
Like to attend for the next workshop next year. I would like to see you all guys here.
Yay!
It's awesome.
Thank you!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo dili, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!